Okay, YouTube. So I just copped this 2007 Infinity. Um, it's not a bad car. Got a little dent on right there on the right hand side. Overall, the body on it looks pretty good. I had a couple problems already. I had to change those mufflers right there. Both of those mufflers was leaking. You know, the car was really loud. I noticed that the service engine light was on. So I'm going to put my scan tool on and see what's going on with that. But overall, it's not a bad car. I also noticed that when I go to open up the hood, the hood shocks is not the hood shocks is not working. Let's see here. So when I go to let it up, you see it'll slam back down. I ordered some hood shocks, but the ones that came was a little bit too big. I'm going to change the spark plugs in here, put all new spark plugs, and see if that fixed the misfire, the service engine soon. To change the spark plugs, you're gonna have to remove all these wires here. You got to get the wires out of the way on this side to get down to the spark plugs. All of this got to be removed. Okay. All right. So let me put this camera down and get to work. Okay, so look like you're kicking up a PO 300. That's a random misfire. And the next one is a crank position sensor on bank 1. Okay, so let me show you where the bank 1, it's got bank 1 and bank 2. Okay, so bank 1 would be right there with that the green, right there with that little green plug. That would be bank 1. Okay, now bank 2 will be on the other side. It's going to be on the driver's side of the car. And let me show you what the sensor looks like. That's what the crank sensor looks like. Okay, you only got one little bolt right there, which is the got a little 10 millimeter that fits right in through here, and that's it. And it just plugs in right here. Okay. All right, so let me set this up and go ahead and pull the old one off. Okay, so you got 6 10 millimeter bolts that's holding on the cover. You got to take these off so you can get underneath it. Got the old one out. This is what it looked like. Looks a little oily. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop the other one in. Okay, you're gonna wanna move some of this out the way. I'm gonna use my power tools just to make it a little bit faster. I'm gonna move some of this stuff out of the way. See, so you're able to get down to the coil. So you want to pull the coil out, and the spark plug is in there. You're going to want to get your ratchet and a 5/8 spark plug socket, so it'll be easy to take this spark plug out. And then you just pop the new one in there. You pop the new spark plug in there and tighten it back up and put the coils right back on it. There you go. This is one. That's 2 on that side. This is 3. That's 4. This is 5, and this is 6 on that side. Your car might be different, but it's all the same thing. I like to do it on this side first, get all 3 of these done, then I flip over on the other side. Okay, let me put this camera down so I can get to it. Okay, so we finally got it all back together. Let's go in here and try it out. Back to working smooth. This help you out? If this video helped you out, scroll below, give me the thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.